Hi, we've been around for 9 years now, and during this time, we've mainly recommended APAP machines. If you ask me which type work best, I'd say over 90% of people get great results with APAP. It's not that we don't have VAUTO or BiPAP machines. In fact, since 26, we've sold ResMed S9 VAUTO Philips 767 and later the DreamStation DS700. Usually, VAUTO users fall into two groups: high-income folks and people who didn't get ideal results with APAP but fared better on VAUTO. I've used both myself personally. My nose breathes easily, I fall asleep quickly, and I'm not picky about masks. On ResMed VAUTO with a PS around 3, it feels basically the same as APAP machine. Officially, they don't recommend going over 6, but nearly 6. The airway pressure is really strong, so we usually suggest VAUTO for people over 100 kg. That side, APAP often works just fine even for heavier folks, giving excellent results. Here's my advice. If you have OSA, start with APAP. VAUTO might be better because it delivers higher airway pressure, but it's still worth trying APAP first. We've seen younger, heavier users around 110 kg do really well on APAP, with max airway pressure under 18 cm H2O. So yeah, start with APAP, see how it goes, and only switch if you need to. Thanks.